My name is Dave Anderson. I am the Woodland Trails Park steward. Me and some of my friends started working on ski trails out here 34 years ago. This is our 34th season. We started because our kids needed a place to ski, and we never stopped. We groom a total of about 12 miles of trail. 7 of those miles are dedicated cross-country ski trails. 3 are dedicated winter walking trails, and then 2 miles are combined. It takes, in simple conditions, it takes 2 people about 2 hours to groom the entire system. When we originally started, it used to take 8 hours. And we've built our own grooming equipment and gotten a lot more efficient in our process. The grooming has gotten better, so we've cut our grooming time down considerably. And so it's actually a very huge volunteer commitment, but the 25 people that I have that help, I always have enough help. They do a great job. And like I said, we groom when we need to groom. What keeps us coming back? We're asked that all the time. The compliments flow from the people that utilize the trails, and they ask us why we do what we do, and the answer is always, we do what we do for you. The people that help are absolutely amazing because as I alluded before, it's a huge responsibility that we have undertaken. We cannot not do it. When it's 20 below and it needs to be groomed, we do it. And tonight I'll be sending out a note for the weekend, rest of the week grooming and the week grooming, and I'll need 6 people, and I'll get 6 people, and it'll be 6 different people than the last week. And if people are busy, they say, no, I can't, but if they have time, they do, and they do it because they're very proud of what this community together has created. And Woodlands is a great community partnership.